Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate how we can do the U-chart by using Stack Graphics. And first, let's go to the database. So if you go to the database, I already emailed to you, and then you can find out the U-chart. You just type U, and you will find a database called U-chart. So we're going to select this one, and then you click Open. So we're going to open these data sets. And then this is analysis results. Okay, we have from the U chart, but I'm going to do it step by step for you. So first, let's go to the data book. Okay, in the data book, and you will see actually a show is like that. And then the question is that can we use the original data we have to do that? No, but we need to do is that we're going to look at the average and also look at the sampling size. So I'm gonna help you to build up these two columns now. So how to do that? First, let me delete it and I repeat to do it again, okay, for you. So I just delete it and then I delete it. So this is a rough data you're going to collect. So we're going to use the U chart. So you click the column 3 and then and you will find out that this is not right. So and then we're going to define this. So we call it how about the U for average. Okay, U. I just use U. And then now is that we need to select the equations. So some tricky part is here. When we select the equations, the only way we can do is try to figure out, go to the icon called define, and we're going to use the formula. So how to do that? You select define. So now we have 3 formulas. So we can use the square meters, double click it, and then divide by non-conformities, double click it, and then we click OK. Okay, and then this is the equations we have. So we select OK. And then this is actually the data we're going to use for build up a U chart. And the other question is that what is the sampling size? And in this case, the sampling size actually is different, right? So for the traditional U chart, we need to find out the average. So we can use this formula similar like Excel, but a little bit different, and then we can do that. So how we can do that is that I'm going to select this one. I just use the average N. Okay, and then I use the formula. So now when you use the formula, you select this icon called define. Okay, when you select define, and you can find out similar function like Excel, it is called average. So double click this one, and then when you select this one, and then you just need to find out the average sampling size by square meters, right? So double click this one, and then click OK again. So now you have the system, and then you click OK. So now you have a sufficient data. Now let's go to SPC. So in the SPC, we go to control chart, and then you select attribute, and then you will find out U chart here. So let's use the U chart, and then you will see that this is actually the things we want to input. Now the first one will be U, right? U means the units, right? Defects per unit. Okay, and then sampling size, which is average N. So you select these two and you click OK. And then, so I put down the wrong area. So that will be this one, right? And then we can select OK now. So, and then click OK. We select all. So now you will find out actually, oh, something wrong in here. This is another chart we have. So let's redo it again. Okay, what is happened? Let's go back to check this one, and then double click it, and Okay, you see the equations we are using actually is wrong. So how we can do that? We're going to double click it again, click this again, click it define again. So what is that is define over square meter. Now it will be correct. So we select this and we click OK. And then now we do SPC again. And then we go to attribute and find our U chart. And then we're going to do that again. So we choose the U for the first one. And then we select average number as the second one. And now and we can click it again, and then you will find out the U chart. And this is actually the final results for the U chart you need as a quality engineer. And thank you for watching.